If you love the effects of the Dyson Airwrap but don't want to spend that kind of money, I have just the alternative for you. Let's get started with the review. Hello and welcome back to A Million Bucks Style. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we're reviewing the Agaro 6-in-1 multi-hair styler tool against the Dyson Airwrap. You know I've done a tutorial on how to use the Dyson Airwrap. If you haven't watched it as yet, I'm going to link the details right here, so make sure that after this video or before you watch that as well. I have both of them right here. They are absolutely comparable. One costs about 13,500 rupees and the other one cost 45,000 rupees. So let's put them to test and see which one we love the most. If you've been watching my channel, you know I love the Dyson and I have been using it on a regular basis since the past couple of years. But if the only reason you are not buying the Dyson is because of the price, I have just the product for you. So today I have not just my Dyson, I also have the Agaro 6-in-1 hairstyling tool. It is a multi-hair styler, works exactly like the Dyson and costs 1/3 the price. I'm going to use the Dyson Airwrap on my left hand side, and on my right hand side I'm going to use the Agaro 6-in-1 multi-hair styler tool. So let's get started very quickly. The only thing that you require is of course a heat protectant spray. I'm going to use the Bee Blunt's heat protection hair mist. I'll also use a hair serum. This one's also from Bee Blunt. It controls frizz and gives you soft shiny curls, and of course some sectioning clips which you can easily find on Amazon. I'll link everything in the description box below. Without delaying it any further, let's get started by sectioning our hair. Because I've already reviewed the Dyson Airwrap, I'm not going to show you what all tools we have in the Dyson, but I can show you exactly what all products you're going to get in the Agaro hairstyling tool. So this is what the packaging looks like. It also makes for the perfect bridal gift to your friends or your sister, even Christmas gift if you are gifting something to someone special. Comes with a beautiful box. Of course, it's a sturdy cardboard box, and if you want to travel with your Dyson or your Agaro hairstyling tool, you will need a pouch, which is a lot more comfortable and of course saves a lot of space. So first things first, of course, you have a user manual which shows you exactly how to use this tool, but you don't need this when you have me. Then we have heat protectant gloves which come in very handy when you're removing the tools when they are hot. So this is the main unit, which is actually the same color as my Dyson as well. Pretty similar. Let me just show it to you guys. So this is the Dyson. It's quite messy. And okay, so this is what the Dyson looks like and this is what the Agaro looks like. And the units literally look exactly the same as far as the design is concerned. You have the air inlet and outlet. You have, of course, the nozzle, which basically puts all the tools. You have an in and out button, pretty similar. The design is exactly the same, guys, but the Dyson is a little more heavier as compared to the Agaro. So that's the main unit. So the difference between the two barrels that you get in the Dyson as well as the Agaro is that the Agaro is pretty specific in terms of in which direction you want your curls to be, as opposed to the Dyson one, which I feel is a lot better because you have two diameters of barrels. This one is a thin one, the other one is a thick one, and they work multi-directional. All you have to do is twist it to change the direction, which I feel is missing in the Agaro, but not a deal breaker. Then you have a drying nozzle. My hair is soaking wet right now, so I'm going to show you how to use this particular product. This is basically the dupe of the Dyson blow drying nozzle, which is very interesting. The designs are pretty different than each other. Let's put them to test. So this is the blow dry brush, which basically gives you paddle blow dry kind of a feel. And the other one is Dyson. This one also is exactly the same thing, but look at the design element. So this is a smoothing brush which basically allows you to get rid of all that frizzy hair. If you have flyaways, you can just use this to smoothen up your flyaways also. Works really well. So as far as the Dyson is concerned, you get the smoothing effect in the blow dry brush itself. And last but not the least, we have the roller, which is what I'm going to use to curl my bangs. This is what the Dyson hair curler looks like, and this is your Agaro hair curler. They're exactly the same, guys. Like pretty much the same. Also, the tool that I use the most when it comes to my Dyson Airwrap, and I'm sure with the Agaro as well, I'm going to use this product a lot. Okay, those are all the pieces that you basically get in both the boxes. Let's quickly plug them in and get started, because my hair is soaking wet and I need to dry them. It's pretty cold outside. All right, let's quickly follow the two steps which are extremely important. We're going to prep our hair. I'm going to use a hair serum from Bee Blunt, just 2 pumps for the entire hair. Rub, 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 and Just take your fingers through wet hair, just the ends. We don't want this to reach anywhere close to our roots, just the hair ends. This makes sure that your hair has that natural shine. It is not frizzing out, and also makes sure that you are not breaking a lot of your hair, because I can literally take my fingers through my hair without any hair breaking. No hair breakage. Okay, maybe one strand. All right, this is done. My hair is soaking wet, but that's okay because that gives us the opportunity to use the blow dry brush from both the Dyson as well as the Airwrap. Let's get started. Before that, second step is to basically use heat protectant spray, which is an absolute must. Very gently spray it all over your hair. All right, products are in. Hair is prepped. On to sectioning our hair into two parts. Because I can only use one product at a time, I'm going to section my hair into two. Let me also pull my collars. I'm also wearing a beautiful patchwork night suit, which is quite warm. It's made out of cotton, but it's comfortable. I'll leave the details in the description box. Okay, very quickly, we're going to section our hair. I'm going to take my finger to part. Okay, I've sectioned my hair into two parts. The first section is going to be wrapped. I'll wrap the first section using these clips. I'm going to wrap the first section because the left hand side is meant for Dyson, and we will blow dry our hair using Agaro right now. So the first attachment I'm going to use is the blow dry brush. All you do is, of course, attach it and clip it. Very good, pretty sturdy. Now let's switch it on. You press it. That was loud, but very powerful. I'm quite impressed with the quality of this blow drying tool. Very nice. My hair is almost 70% dry, and I want it like that because I don't want my hair to be completely dry. Otherwise, the other tools are not going to be as effective. Now, very quickly moving on to the Dyson, and we're going to dry the left hand side. Using the smoothing attachment, I'm going to quickly put that on. Click off a button. Yep, done. Switch it on. If I were to compare the two, I feel both of them are pretty powerful and work exactly the same. My hair is 70% dry on both the ends. To be honest, I can't compare. The only difference is that, of course, the Agaro is much more lightweight, so you don't feel tired. Dyson is a little heavier as compared to the Agaro hair styler. So 10 points to Agaro. Okay, now we're going to use the brush tool, which is basically going to give us a little more straighter hair. Right now my hair is dry but very wavy. So I'm going to remove this attachment from the Agaro. Very easy to remove it. Hairbrush tool attachment. Sectioning just makes sure that I'm not by mistake drying the left hand side also, because I want you guys to see the results and compare the two. That was rather quick, and my hair is relatively straight now. Let's quickly do this with the Dyson as well. I'm gonna remove this attachment, which is a little hot right now, and I'm gonna put the blow dry brush. Okay, sectioning. I have to constantly section this. It looks so funny. Anyways, if you can't laugh at your own self, girl. Already started to sweat. So this side is also done. Can you compare the two? Can you make out the difference? I feel it's a lot more smoother on the left hand side, which is where I use Dyson. And I definitely will need another tool to smoothen out the rest of my hair on my right hand side. So 10 points to Dyson. Anyways, let's section the hair again very quickly with the clip. I'm gonna now detach the blow dry brush, attach the roller, get the work started. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. That took me literally a few seconds, and this section is done. Now very quickly we'll do the same thing with the Dyson. All right, let's open this side as well and compare the two. Okay, I think there's more volume on the right hand side as compared to the left hand side, which I just did. So much nicer this side is, and it's exactly the same tool, can you imagine, and the same technique. Definitely 10 points to the Agaro for the volume that it's given me. Because I have curtain bangs, so let's section them using just a hand. I'm gonna divide this into two parts again. in order to show you. I know I'm overcomplicating things right now, but you'll only use one tool at a time, so bear with me. Now, using the back section. Okay, that's about it. Now I'm going to release it using the release button, which is, where is it? It's right here. I will release the tool, and that's why I love these products. Now, using one of these clutchers, I'm just gonna make sure that this is secure. It'll stay. I have another one for the front section. Now, using the Agaro, we'll just open this one and blow dry this as well and release. Using this claw clip, I'm gonna section this also and secure it while we do the rest of our hair. I look so funny right now. Anyways, so this is what we are going to be working with. Our hair is already divided into two parts, but we'll further section this to curl them. The more sections you create, the better your curls are going to be, because you'll be able to work with smaller pieces of hair. If you haven't watched my tutorial on how to use the Dyson Airwrap, I'm going to link it right here, so make sure that you check that out. I'm going to spend more time on doing my hair with the Agaro because you already know how to use the Dyson, and if you don't, you can always watch my video and get to learn a little bit more in terms of how it's done, because I spent a lot of time doing that. Okay. Hair is secure. Now, I've taken a small section here which can be further divided, but I think we can work with this section. Maybe I'll divide it into two just to be on the safer side. Now, as far as the Agaro multi-styler tool is concerned, you get two barrels for two different directions. So if you want your hair to go on the right hand side, you're going to use this one, and if you want to curl your hair towards the left hand side, you're going to use this one. So these come in very handy and it's pretty easy. So because I want my hair to curl on the left side for the right one, I'm going to put this one. Secure, switch it on. That was easy, right? I'm going to quickly do this, and I also need to use the gloves that I received with my curler. So the barrels do tend to get hot, and you want to protect your hands at any cost. So these heat protectant gloves come in very handy. So fancy. These are the ones that you get with the Agaro, which I think is such an intuitive choice. So smart. Now, moving on to the second, look at the curls. I forgot to show it to you because I'm so used to them. How cute are these? Lovely. Now, taking the back section, we'll quickly curl this side as well. I'm not spending too much time on each of the sections because we'll be here for hours. So I'm only doing it for like 10 seconds at max. And then you release. Just look at those curls. How beautiful. I'll do this in fast mode because we have a lot of sections to get through. All right, ladies, we're done with our right hand side completely. This is what my curls are looking like. I'm not going to touch them right now. We'll not open them right now. I am just going to secure them with these clips from the back as well as the front so that they are not going anywhere. Okay, now moving on to the right hand side with the Dyson. Now, as far as the Dyson is concerned, we only need to use one barrel, and I'm going to use the same size of barrel that you get with the Agaro. So these two are exactly the same diameter. They also look exactly the same. So I'm going to use this one. Let's quickly put that on, plopped it in, start sectioning our hair. I will not use the gloves on the right hand side because Dyson doesn't provide you with gloves. So let me give you the exact same experience. There's a party happening on the back of my hair. Clip party. Okay, switching this on. Okay, for some reason the Dyson is not latching onto bigger pieces, so I'm going to divide this into further sections. Now, this is something that I quite like in the Agaro hairstyling tool because I was taking thicker sections and I could work with my hair a lot quicker because it was wrapping my hair very, very quickly. This one I'll have to divide further. I also felt the Dyson is a lot more hotter as compared to the Agaro, but you can always adjust the speed, so that's not a problem. Okay. The curls are quite pretty, no doubt about it, on both the ends. The curls are equally pretty. We won't deny that. Let's get some more sections. This is going to take a while because I have to use smaller sections on the left-hand side where I'm using Dyson, which is quite a bummer, honestly. When you are short on time, you don't want that. Beautiful. I've become the sectioning queen. It was a smaller section, like a tiny piece of hair it was just not wrapping. It was so frustrating. Anyways, that's done. And this one needs to be adjusted again. Okay, you come here. Let me fix you back. I'm finding it's so frustrating that I bought the Dyson before I bought the Agaro. It is not latching onto my hair. The Dyson is not latching onto my hair as quickly as the Agaro was, which is so frustrating. Okay, only the last section is remaining. I have to divide this section into two, otherwise my Dyson is not going to work. Okay, hopefully this is the last. No, I'll have to divide it. Oh my God. Okay, hopefully this is the last. That was hot. Okay, ladies, I think we're done here, and I'm going to quickly remove all of these curlers as well and any partition I have. Okay, removing the curls. That was a lot of weight. All right, opening them. Okay, let me just run my fingers through it. I will also use just a tiny bit of the serum to give that shine to my hair and separate them. The serum always makes sure that your hair looks a lot more healthier, and for a long period of time, even if you're moving your fingers through your hair, no hair strand is coming off. But can you tell the difference? Can any one of you tell the difference? Unbelievable. I'm so surprised. Very, very happy with the end result. Very happy. All right, ladies, this is the end result. The results are right in front of you. They're rather same. I don't think there is any difference between the two, but it was very cumbersome to do the ones on my left-hand side because I was using my Dyson, and the right-hand side happened so quickly. The Agaro picked up the hair so very quickly. The magnetic pull was seamless and it did my hair in half the time. Very, very surprising because I've been using Dyson for like 2 years. I never realized the difference. It's also a little heavier as compared to the Agaro. I will definitely list down the specifications on the screen for you guys. But what an alternative if you don't want to spend 45,000 rupees on the Dyson Airwrap. The Agaro costs about 13,500 rupees, but you can also get some massive deals. So I will link all of them in the description box below. The Dyson costs about 43,000 rupees after discount, but it's retailing for about 48,000 rupees. So you can tell which one is better. I am very impressed and I love the way my hair looks after curling them with the Dyson and the Agaro, because this is a signature curl. They're beautiful and they last you at least 4 days as long as you're not going to work out or you're not putting your hair in water. But yeah, it looks beautiful, it looks super healthy and stylized, just like a salon visit. This was today's video. It's a little different from what I have been doing, so I'm really hoping you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what else you guys would like me to compare and tell you my honest feedback. If you love the effect of the Dyson Airwrap but you don't have the budget, I am not kidding you guys. The Agaro 6-in-1 multi-hairstyler tool is everything you need from the Dyson and a lot more, and it'll save you a lot of money and you're not going to regret it. I truly hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do leave me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an update from me. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000. Bye guys.